Let's get cracking. We got a 10-minute workout. Let's get warmed up, all right? Put your feet in your shoes. Oh, they're already there. That's good. Place your butt in the back of the saddle. Hands on the handlebar. Start pedaling. Start pedaling. Next thing you want to do, breathing. But we're doing that. Keep breathing. The better you become at breathing, the stronger you get. All right? Good. All right. Add a little resistance. So we're not just pedaling, thin air. You want to just feel it. We're going to do 5 minutes. And then we're going to do something else. Stay with me. Ah, yeah. I can't see you, but I know you're there. Keep it up. Come on. What you want to do now is you want to relax your shoulders. Relax. All right. Looking good. 4 minutes, and then we're into the single beat. Stay with me. I'll take you there. Fingers relaxed on the handlebars. Make sure your arms are loose. Feet working. Toes relaxed. Breathing. Oh yeah. Keep it up. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Oh. Now we might want to add a little more resistance. Thought is to get the sweat going. Ah. Come on. Inside your head, you're thinking, I can, and I want to do this. 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's go. Come on. You can do it. Breathing. Use your lungs. That's right. Should be feeling that you're starting to sweat. Your pulse is increasing. That's right, keep it up. Both legs. 2 minutes, 35 seconds or less. Come on. Keep it going. Important while you're driving, drinking. Unless you're in a car, that is, but stay hydrated. Stay breathing. 2 minutes, stay strong, come on. That's right. Both legs. Both legs. You're feeling good? You should be. Work out. Come on. Keep up. Ooh yeah. Keep it up. Just over a minute to go before we hit some single beats. Breathing. Focus on your breathing. Come on. That's it. Stay strong. You're gonna do just fine if you think so. Under a minute. Then we're gonna put some more. Right now, easy sailing. Breathing. Shining. Come on, guys. That's right. You still there? Yeah, come on. 30 seconds. Focus. All right, we're gonna go 2 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minute. Hang with me, come on. Ten seconds to go. Add some resistance. Come down to the single beats. Oh yes. All right. By now, you should be feeling it. The more you train, the more you sweat. Sorry about that. Level 6 on the intensity. You should be feeling that you're not at your desk. You're here with me. Now, come on. Ooh yeah, come on. Just getting started. Nice and easy. Ah yeah. Feet. Lift your shoes. Lift your knees. Ooh yeah, like digging. Come on. All right, we got 60 seconds, 1 minute, and then we're gonna stand up. Stay with me. Come on. Let's do it. Lift your feet. Keep breathing. Stay strong. Ah, come on. I know what you're thinking. Oh yes, you can, because you want this. 30 seconds to go, guys. Bring it on. Game day today. Woo-ah! Come on, come on. Nice and easy. 10 seconds till we're getting up. Come on. Oh yeah, very good. Ready? Add some resistance. Oh yes. Add a little more. Feel that you're standing on your legs. Try, relax your upper body. That's it. I don't want to see this. All right? Still. Still with your body. Come on. Feel the climb. All right, we're gonna get ready to get back in the saddle. Increase the resistance and push up the tempo. 8, 7, 6. Back in. Oh yeah, keep it up. Bring up the pace. Decrease. Push up the tempo. You should feel your heart going up. Yeah. Time to get warm up, guys. Come on. Push. When we're done with this, we should be at 7. Oh yeah. Warming up. Just over a minute to go. Using both legs. Both. I know. Keep it up, come on. I know you can. But you've got to want to. Do you? Come on. Oh, very good. Almost there. Under a minute. Keep pushing. Place your arms where it feels good. Remember, butt in the back. Paddle, paddle. Come on. Oh yes, 40 seconds. Breathing. That's right. Come on. 25 to go. Come on, guys, till the end. Outstanding. 15 seconds. Push, breathe, do it. Come on, come on. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 more, 2 more, 1 more. Bring it down. Loosen up. All right, gang.